Working on the Buick Lucerne this morning. This is my wife's car. And this is what she's getting for Christmas. New brake rotors, calipers, and pads. And she also got a new water pump, belt, idler, those little elbows down there, and a thermostat. And she's also getting brand spanking new tires, and I'm having the aluminum rims sandblasted and powder coated. All new sensors put in and all that. So, doing a brake job by yourself, there's many options as far as bleeding. I've got one of those little vacuum pump bleeders. I've used that in the past. You could call your wife out to have her help you bleed the brakes. I've done that once, so I've come up with a new plan to do it by myself, and it works really well. First of all, you want to make sure your reservoir stays full, and I do a gravity bleed. I open the bleeders and I let it sit for a while until it starts to drip out. And then what I do, I take a block of wood, put it up against the seat, and I use my power seat to push the brake pedal, and I'll show you that in a second. So I got it all hooked up. Now obviously you don't want to crush your seat too bad. That's probably about it. And make sure you don't put it on the plastic. That's not good. You'll wish you hadn't done that. And then basically you open up the bleeder and let the little fluid out. Now it takes a while because you can't let it too long, but I did it 3 or 4 times on all 4 wheels, and then I reset that, pumped the brake a couple times, and we're all done, and very little stress. Give it a try.